All right, so I have 3 amazing trading plans for your road to success this coming week. Hopefully one of those pair will work out for you. If you pay attention to the video that I created last week, it worked out so well, so I'm so happy for that. So today is a new week, so let me show you what this coming week is gonna do. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the very first pair. We're gonna start with GBP JPY. Let me not show you the real plan that I have. So let me kind of like show you how we're gonna be doing this. All right, so this is GBP JPY. So what we're looking for here, guys, is very important. So always remember, let me shrink this a little bit so you can all right, there you go. So this is first thing, so always pay attention what 4 hours and daily time frame is doing. It's very important. Once you know, look at that, 4 hours is telling us that we are in a sell, but the daily time frame is still in a buy trend. Remember, the larger time frame you use, the better off you're gonna get on the market. But here, these two time frames are contradicting, so that's the very first thing we're doing. Next thing, guys, we need to pay attention to the multiple time frame. When the multiple time frame shows up with the TW sniper entry signal shows up with the multiple time frame, then we're gonna be creating a steers. If it's red, it means the market is sell. If it's green, it means the market is going up. Red again, right? Market drop. Green again, market goes up. All right, so that's simple. So now that you saw the basic, let me show you the real data. All right, so what I think the market is gonna do. Remember what the daily time frame was showing us on the dashboard, right? So in here it's saying that we're still in a buy, but the 4 hours is showing something else, which is true. So what is the multiple time frame doing here? Look at that. Multiple time frame is in a buy. Look at the stairs. Remember the first scenario that I show you? Look at the stair. When the stair is green, means the market is only going in one direction. However, look at the 4 hours here. Multiple time frame is creating on Friday, guys. Market give us a signal. The market has potential to drop. However, it's not there yet. So it's creating it. So this is my opinion. So market, yes, it will give us a pullback. This is considered a pullback. But in order for us to give us the pullback, I believe the following, guys. I believe the market is still gonna retracing this previous multiple time frame, multiple high here one more time, and then boom, market will be dropping. How far? It's gonna drop to our previous multiple time frame, which is gonna be your 50 Fibonacci level, and then for market it will retrace for there. That's simple, guys. It's that simple. All right, so let me show you another pair, guys. I'm just gonna go quick. Hopefully this makes sense. If this is confusing, the next one will be a lot more easier. All right, so the next pair that I'm gonna show you guys is Euro USD. Pay close attention, guys. Look at that. Look at that. What is the dashboard doing, guys? Remember, that's the very first question you're gonna ask yourself. Look at that, beautifully, guys. It's showing the 4 hours and daily time frame is selling. That's what I'm creating this trading plan for your road to success, guys. It's that simple. All right, look at that. It's showing us that we are selling, right? I said we are us analyzing the market. Now we're gonna go ahead and check the real data. Remember, this is Euro USD. What is the multiple time frame doing? Boom, it's telling us we're in a sell. What is the TW sniper entry doing? Boom, it's in a sell. What is the stairs doing? Boom, 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 boom. What is the regional trend doing? It's only going with the trend, guys. So some of you might be saying, Irvin, what is this? What is this green arrow going up? Yes, this is a minor pullback. So there's a very respected level right on here, right? This previous multiple time frame here, previous touch here, previous touch here. It's a lot of good signal. The market will retrace to this. This is minor, and then from there market will continue selling. How far? To this previous multiple time frame. So market overall on Euro USD is only doing one thing only, and it's selling. However, if the market or there's a news coming up on them this coming week, guys, yeah, everything is subject to change. But so far I'm gonna stick to my plan. I'm gonna stick to my trading plan, and that's all it matters. All right, so that's why I believe the market will, continue on the sell back. Okay, All right, so let me go ahead and show you the next pair, guys. The next pair, it is gold. Boom, look at that. Look at what gold is doing, guys, because it's very important for you to analyze gold. Look at the dashboard. That's simple. Let's straightforward. What is 4 hours in daily time frame is doing? Boom, it's contradicting. Who is the boss on the larger time frame? Is the daily time frame is in red. That means the market here is selling, guys. Just by looking at the dashboard, it's selling. The 4 hours is doing a pullback. Now, what is multiple time frame doing? Boom, selling. What is the TW snapper entry doing? Boom, it's selling. Look at the stairs. What is the stair hitting? It's only going in one direction. When the stairs is going up, again, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get the trend going up. But today on gold is selling heavily, guys. Still selling heavily. So now 4 hours is creating us a what? It's creating us a pullback. Here's multiple time frame. Here's multiple time frame on the 4 hours. Look at what the trend is doing. It's respecting exactly what you are seeing here, right? So now it's doing exactly that. In my opinion, this is my opinion on gold, guys. Gold still has a huge potential to go all the way to this previous high here. Look at that. It's gonna go all the way to your 50 Fibonacci level. So market will continue on that pullback as a buy trend. From here, we are gonna be expecting to see a what? We're gonna expecting to see a continuation of that trend, and boom, it's time to continue collecting those hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars on the market. It's that simple. This is gold that I'm giving you, gold. If you pay attention to the video that I created last week, it was right on point, guys. And I hope this week will be the same as well. So hopefully this video makes sense, guys. If you guys need any other video that you want me to create it, please let me know. And remember, stay safe, guys, stay humble, and I will see you guys back on the next video. Okay, peace out. Bye. Boom.